Start off by downloading the Alarm Tech Smart Video app. It's available on Android and on the iOS store. You'll need to make sure you read through the agreement and you agree to that agreement before you click on agree. When the app loads up, you'll swipe over till you get to the Try Now option. Click the Login Sign Up button. Down at the very bottom, you're going to click up the Sign Up button. You'll start by entering in your email. It says that you need to use a 6 to 20 characters, including 2 of the 3 elements, digits, letters, and symbols. Select that you agree to the agreement. Then you can proceed with the send code. On this, you'll need to do the images as they appear in the order on the screen. You will touch them in that order. And then click on OK. Go to your email address. You have 60 seconds to get the verification. You'll enter the verification number in. Click Sign Up.